On-Air helped us in being able to bring together all of our broadcast and cable inventory assets onto a single tech stack. And so what On-Air really helped us do is operate more at a portfolio level. And in turn, what that does is allows us to be able to look at all of our inventory across the portfolio in one single solution, and then in turn help enable any new and emerging sales strategies that may come to market, or just help us define operational efficiencies across the organization.
I think one of the biggest themes in digital right now is that it's an incredibly manual, completely organic process. The best part about Sintec Media, when we first met them several years ago and became a client 3 years ago, was that they've thought through the process all the way from the IO to the invoice. And although we may not be adopting absolutely every aspect of the platform yet, we know that other people are, and we can learn from them. So we're slowly being able to build out our entire digital platform as it grows more and more relevant to our revenue. So that's the best part about Sintec Media. It's that you guys have an idea of how digital should be done, unique to digital, but also respect and understand what's going on in the linear space, so that as we eventually combine those two for offering to our customers, we know that we have a partner in being able to do that.
The most exciting and appealing thing, in my opinion, about Sintec Media is the onboard system. And if Fox is moving to Sintec for trafficking and billing, and onboard can allow us to package and sell audiences as well as just our basic content more effectively and efficiently, I think that holds a lot of value to us, and I'm personally most excited about that feature.
One of the things our salespeople always complain about is they spend too much time working on the I/O and not enough time selling. And so by shortening that and making it a much more robust I/O system, we think that we can provide them that opportunity to go out and sell more.
Yeah, I would absolutely recommend it. Like I said, this is the third publisher that I've worked with to get Operative in place, so I think I have a track record there of recommending Sintec's products to publishers.
I think it allows us to segment our inventory really well. My company, it's a combination of O&O properties as well as an influencer network made up of a couple thousand different sites. So just being able to easily create different types of products with different types of targeting just allows us to manage that set of inventory a lot easier.
We really use the workflows and to really manage our pricing, and we've put in controls into the system to really help us maximize yield. And if discounts are too high, it gets kicked to certain people who have to approve those discounts, and it's been a really good tool for us to maximize our yield.
There are three things that I would tell somebody who's considering Sintec as a solution provider. The first one is evaluate the technology. It's solid, it's robust, and it's solved a number of different issues in the digital space and the linear space. The second one is that they've got individuals who've actually worked at the organizations that they've served. So you've had people who headed up operations for publishers or NBC Universal as an example. But the third is that Sintec has created an ecosystem where you're not only working with Sintec employees themselves, but you have access to a number of individuals who are really well regarded within the industry, who are data providers, who are program providers, and who have solved technology issues.